Before we even start creating our design system, we gotta get set up, and there's a few things we need to look for. Namely, anything related to branding such as colors, fonts, logos, and styles. Any safe zones that we'll need when working on our designs. And any images we've got, i.e. any product shots or lifestyle images, basically anything we could use to test our template along the way. Fortunately, we've got a great folder and everything's included. Okay, so when it comes to branding, let's look at the brief. We've got 4 different colors in RGB value. Those are used for the background, and each color corresponds to a service advertised, namely delivery, curbside pickups, the app, and the store credit card. We've got fonts here, namely Anton and Roboto. We've got this chill logo, and we've got styles laid out on this slide. Alright, so here's the plan. First, we're going to upload fonts to GraFx Fonts so we can use them in our BrandKit. Second, we'll upload any image to GraFx Media, and we'll also create a simple folder structure that will make it easier to test our template later. Third, we'll create a BrandKit for this campaign. That's going to be really helpful when creating our designs and variations. And last but not least, we'll create a new template and load the BrandKit. Alright, let's get to it. Spoiler alert, we'll make a few mistakes along the way, just so I can show you how easy it is to fix them later.